Hair care through egg. Egg has become an important part of your hair and skincare diet. Everyone wants to have beautiful and lustrous hair. With the use of raw eggs, anyone can find themselves with beautiful hair. One need not cross the 7 continents to find a raw egg. Every house can easily get a good supply of raw eggs. These can be used for making some of the best hair conditioners. The properties of egg create a needed impact on your dull and dry hair. It helps the hair to recreate itself. It maintains the texture of your hair by the presence of the important elements. For strong and beautiful hair, you can mix 2 egg yolks, depending on length of your hair, with 2 teaspoons castor oil. Massage this mixture on your hair. Keep it for some time, then rinse it thoroughly. Whip up 2 raw eggs. Pour this mixture on your hair by massaging. Let it dry. Shampoo your hair and then give vinegar and water rinse. Follow this procedure every month for soft and smooth hair. Beat egg yolk thoroughly to make a frothy solution. Add 1 teaspoon baby oil and beat again to make a proper mixture. Add water to this mixture and apply it all over your scalp. Once dry, rinse well to get a proper condition treatment. Mix egg yolk in 1/4 cup of yogurt with a little lime skin. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and apply it to every single strand of hair. After applying, keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. The combination of yogurt and egg is very good for your hair. Mix a whole egg to lemon juice. Whisk it properly. Once applied on your hair, keep it for some time. Rinse it thoroughly. This combination gives a shine to your dull hair. Beat egg yolk to make a frothy paste. Add 1/2 teaspoon olive oil and beat the mixture again. Slowly and steadily add 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. After shampooing, massage this conditioner and leave it for a few minutes. Rinse it later. It is a good hair treatment for people who are in water most of the time, like swimmers, surfers, etc. Mix egg, olive oil, and peeled cucumber to make a good mixture. Spread it evenly on your hair and keep it for 10 minutes. Rinse it thoroughly. Mix together 1 tablespoon honey, 1 egg yolk, 1/2 teaspoon almond oil, and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Make a frothy paste and apply it on your hair. Rinse it in 1/2 hour's time. This will smooth your hair and moisturize it evenly. Looking for prevent hair loss and regrow your own natural hair instantly? Please click the link in video's description.